This is a 20-minute meditation for your everyday use. I suggest you use it twice a day, preferably once in the morning and once in the evening. Meditating twice a day like this will strengthen your awareness practice, so it becomes effortless throughout the day. If you like, you can set a routine, such as lighting a joss stick each time you meditate, or lighting a candle, or having a favorite chair to sit on each day and each time you meditate. Setting up a simple ritual like this tells the mind it's time to meditate. So please find a comfortable position, relax and close your eyes, and let's begin. Please sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Try to keep your back straight. It is helpful to sit in a cool room with good ventilation. Make a decision to yourself to stay alert and try not to fall asleep. So simply relax in a comfortable position that works for you. It is best to close your eyes. If you're feeling tired, you can leave your eyelids open slightly. Spend the next few minutes breathing in slowly through the nose, and then slowly breathing out through the mouth. Do this a few times and allow all tension in the body to simply leave through the out-breath. If you prefer and if you wish, you can ask your spiritual guide, Jesus, Buddha, Krishna, whoever it may be you feel a connection with, to bless and help you during this meditation practice. Or if you prefer, you can just simply make a mental intention to use this time to meditate, not to become distracted or carried away by the mind's activity. Now that we have relaxed our body and mentally made a decision to use this time meaningfully, we can now relax the mind and allow it to calm down. We can do this by simply looking at the gaps between thoughts. Do not force the mind to slow down and stop thinking. It does not matter whether the mind is busy or quiet. Either way, you will notice when you watch the mind, there is a gap between the thoughts. Listen to these gaps. Be aware of them. That is all you need to do. Just become aware of the silence whenever it appears. Just stay with the silence and do not allow your mind to run away with thoughts. Just keep bringing the mind back to these peaceful, silent gaps. Sit in this silence. Just be aware of the silent spaces between thoughts and allow this silence to do the rest. No need to force or apply effort. Just wait for the gaps and watch them. Every time a thought appears, just ignore it. If you do not feed the thoughts, they will pass naturally, and you will abide in what is your natural state, this silent, peaceful awareness. So just be aware of the silence, this state of being simply aware. So, before we end this meditation, just gradually become aware of your body. Become aware of your surroundings. Notice the calm, peaceful sensation we now feel. We can make a determination before we finish to try this meditation each day. If possible, twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, would be the most beneficial for our daily practice. So make a determination now to carry this peaceful feeling throughout the rest of the day and night.